wish came. Remember how I told you guys that there might be a video coming up. Here's your video. Okay, so we got this purple slime, this blue macaroon slime, and 4 of these squishies. Okay, so let's try out the blue macaroon slime. As you can see, it keeps shape pretty well. That good clicking noises, kind of what you're made for. It doesn't stretch very well. You know, it's pretty generic slime, you know, blue, clear slime. Doesn't stretch very well. You know, it's kind of hard to make clear slime that stretches very well because you have to get the perfect mixture at the perfect time. So, moving on, let's try our purple slime. Just put this up. And it also has a cool container. I like this container. Little macaroon. Has a little tab for when you want to open it. So that's cool. Set that aside. Purple slime. I think this one's going to be better. Yeah, that's a lot better. The texture is a lot looser, not so tight. And you can see if I leave it sitting for a minute, let's watch it. Let's watch it. See how it starts to fall down? Normal slime starts to do that. So, stretches kind of well. Definitely could not make a slime swirl with this, but makes good poking noises. Look at how pretty it is, and it just falls right down. So yeah, my cat is trying to get into my mouth. Look how cute he is. He's so fat and fluffy. He heard the noise. He's so cute. Okay, back to the video. You guys might hear him yelling. So, because he does that. Here, let's move that. Here, I got a pig, I got a sheep, I got a polar bear, and I got a seal. Those, as you can see, I really like white. No, they were just really cute, and I really wanted them. So let's try out the pig. Squishes pretty well. You know, they're really cute. Like, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that make you want to just squeeze the life out of it? Like, come on, it's so cute. Excuse me for a moment. Just kidding, okay? We're not gonna do that, okay? So here's the shape. It's the shape. Stop scratching at my chair. It's the shape. It's the shape. It's the shape. You guys don't have to lie to me. I'm not a good singer. Look at him. He's having a muscle spasm. Look at him. It's that. And then here's the seal. These two kind of look alike, but they're back legs. You can see how this one has a tail and the polar bear doesn't. Yeah, and the seal's face is flatter than the polar bear. So there's a couple differences between those. But yeah, guys, I came back and my entire room was redone. You guys want to see a tour? Almost fell. Okay, you guys want to see a tour? My bed is only messy because I'm going to undo that after this video. I'm going to unpack that. But yeah, here's my outside of my closet. You can see my little bag hanging, and then you go and you open it. So much storage, my Legos, my games, my bookshelf, my clothes, shoes, like bags and jackets. And then my bow and arrow is up there along with some extra clothes. Yes, I have a bow and arrow. I am sensitive. But yeah, all my trophies are right there. My medals, my pennants, my jacket, my pineapple, my S. That S actually lights up and it's really cool. But yeah, this thing is a heart that I got, and it smells really good. It smells like lavender. It's really good. And it's all really on it. Yeah, and I have my little kitty right here. So I heart cats, and it is so true. Look at my cat, guys. Look at my cat. He's in my chair. He's in my chair. But yeah, here's my desk. This is my real Polaroid, and it actually works. Like look at that. It works. It's kind of hard to hold it. There's the thing, but you put your eye like right here. Here, look, let me show you. So this comes up, this part, and it folds that down. But you put your eye right here. No, you put your eye back here. Put your eye back here, and then you take the picture. To take the picture, you push this red button right here, and then to open it, you push this button forward. Barney, get off my desk. Get down. Get down. You're making me drop stuff. Get down. Get down. Accidentally pushed him. Sorry, Barney. But I told you to get down. Okay, we got my wall over here. It says wild and free with like all of my pictures. This is my favorite because it says stay weird. It's totally my vibe. This says love never waits. That one says follow your dreams. This is just a picture of pineapples because I'm obsessed with pineapples, literally. This says life is short, play with your cat, aka me. And this one is my close second favorite. It's a cat wearing glasses blowing a bubble. Okay, and then we have my other wall, which has my dream catcher and my two puzzles. So we have this one over here with the animals looking like other people. Einstein, Michael Jackson. I don't really know the rest, but I think they're really cute. I think that one with the hair swooped up, the middle one on the bottom, is Elvis Presley, and then the one above him, I like to call her Cruella de Vil. I don't like that's her real name. But yeah, guys, I got new glasses too. They're teal and they go down to white. But there's that Waikiki poster that I did. It's actually a puzzle as well. Here's my bed. And you know what we did? We put a trundle bed underneath of it. Barney, can you please move? Put a trundle bed underneath of it, so that way if my friends stay over, all we have to do is pull that out and they can sleep there, which is really nice, actually. Yeah, we got my jewelry box up here. My dad, a picture of my dad. My jewelry box, my thing that I painted. It's really cute. We have my owl that I absolutely adore. And then we have my light up lights across the door of my thing. My TV is hung now, so it doesn't have to sit on my dresser. Okay, so let me picture this, okay? My bed was turned like this. So like it was laying like this. Okay? Over here I had my coat rack, but it was like right here. It was right there. I would hang my book bag on that when I came home from school. Medals over there. Dresser was over here. Desk over there. Okay, you got a picture? Okay, good. My TV would sit on top of my dresser. So, making it hard for me to see the TV because I'm down here like this and it was facing straight. So I would have to sit up to watch it. See what I mean? Okay, but now that it is hung and it is, you can see it's tilted down, that makes it easier for me to see not only at my bed, but at my desk. Okay? And we have all this square footage here. This is about 40 to 50 square feet. I really like the Wild and Free decorations and all of the posters and stuff like that. It really brings the room together, you know. My bed is nicely made with scruffy, blackberry, pusheen, squarey, kitty face, and bling-a-ling. This is bling-a-ling, guys. Look at her. She's adorable. She's blingy. And of course, Barney wants to just follow me around because he loves me so much. He loves me so much. But yeah, so this testing out Amazon products and not Amazon, Wish products really turned into a I'm back, look at me video. Yeah, I just really like my room and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I like to be honest with you guys and I really want to connect with you guys and make sure that you guys know that I'm not doing this for any other reason other than, I want to provide content for you guys. And I hope you guys really like it. Tell me down in the comments if you, give me some ideas. What do you like? What do you guys like? What do you guys want to see me do? Okay? Yeah, so guess this is it. I would give the macaroon 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, and 5 stars. So, you guys can tell me down in the comments, do you think my ratings were right? Or what? So, yeah. Oh, by the way, these took a month to get here. So, if that helps you imagine what I've been anticipating for, But yeah. I love you guys. I love you guys, okay? So, okay. Have a great rest of your day. Smile, okay? I want to see all of you guys smiling. But yeah. So, I guess this is goodbye. Peace, peace. I'm out.